The Marion County prosecutor wants a new judge to hear the case of a man accused of killing a police officer.
Prosecutor Ryan Mears says that Judge Mark Stoner showed prejudice against the state's case when he asked questions about applying the death penalty to the trial of Elias Dorsey. CBS 4's Russ McQuaid joins us now to explain what this move could mean for this case. Russ.
Good afternoon, Debbie. Did Elijah Dorsey know there was a police officer on the other side of his apartment door when he allegedly opened fire in April of 2020? The answer to that question will be key not only to the potential penalty he faces if convicted, but also as to what judge will eventually hear that case. Breanne Leith was just 2 years into her IMPD career on April 9, 2020, when she responded to a domestic dispute at the Wellington Square apartments. Prosecutors say Elias Dorsey fired his gun through the closed apartment door into the hallway, striking and killing Officer Leith. That's why the prosecutor is seeking the death penalty. But Dorsey's attorney says his client didn't know the police were at his door, and therefore his crime is not punishable by the death penalty. Earlier this month, during a hearing over whether that possible death penalty would remain, Judge Mark Stoner said, quote, "I believe that you cannot file a death penalty without having sufficient evidence and then use it in any way as a plea negotiation tool." Because of that, Marion County prosecutor Ryan Mears is now asking the judge to be removed from the case, which IU professor Charles Jay says must be considered.
The judge has to step aside when his impartiality might reasonably be questioned.
Mears filed a motion this week arguing, quote, "The court's comments demonstrate a bias and prejudice such that the state's ability to further prosecute the case has been severely impaired." However, Jay, who isn't affiliated with the case, feels Stoner's words don't necessarily show prejudice.
This strikes me as falling into that general category of give and take that happens in the courtroom all the time, where judges and defense counsel and prosecutors will go back and forth and ask questions and challenge each other and inquire.
Professor Jay says the prosecutor may be making the recusal motion now to protect himself in the future should the court deal him other setbacks.
He's pitched his case now, and if it keeps happening, he's got a stronger case later. And so tactically, it's not a stupid move, but I just am saying right now, I think it's premature to grant.
Now, I spoke with Breanne Leith's mother, Jennifer, this afternoon. She told me the family attends all the hearings, including the one earlier this month, and she supports the prosecutor in his pursuit of the death penalty versus Elias Dorsey. Judge Stoner and Prosecutor Mears were not available for comment today when we sought to ask them some more questions. Bob and Debbie.
All right, Russ, thank you very much.